Welcome back to Intervals, everyone. So again, going over my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the SPY. Again, a nice continuation today, jumping up to our $400 level here, getting a rejection on testing our $400 level here. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue. Are we going to continue on above our channel that we continue to get rejected at as we are leading into jobs report on Thursday? Again, so far we are on anticipation on a possible, again, Fed pivot from Jerome Powell after a decrease in CPI last week under 8.0 that we mentioned at 7.7. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Now, before I jump into this, you guys can do me a huge favor, smash that like button if you find this video useful at all. Hit subscribe if you want to see my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the market every single day. We go over candle structure, overall strength levels, and any key indicators that we need to be focused on. And again, if you are a day trader or you are looking for very volatile breakouts that we mention every single day in the Instables, and again, we mention any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, again, coming in with an inverted hammer here. As you guys can see, a rejection to the upside. However, bulls did come in. It was a nice intraday play. If you guys did play that Lael Brainerd news midday when she commented mentioning it probably will be appropriate soon to slow down the pace of rate hikes. And we did mention that in the Instables room. We had a nice continuation intraday. However, having a pullback on that rejection at 400. Are we going to continue on higher here? I would be looking at our overall pressure and again looking for that candle structure to make sure we continue, as you guys can see, with our AME lines pointing up, increasing in buy pressure continuously, increasing in buy pressure. Bulls are still in control. It's very high risk to play to the downside at this point. I know we're on a pullback and we can continue on with this pullback into this gap up that we had again from CPI. However, at this point, we are still looking for bullish setups. We're still above our 20. So again, our 20 is still above our 50 and we are looking for that bullish candle setup. If we continue on with this pullback, simply looking for a bullish candle setup off of our 20. If we're going to continue on higher, we will only be looking for that bearish setup if we drop below our 20. Since again, we are sitting on divergence on our RSI. As you guys can see on the RSI, we are pulling back here. We are looking to see if we continue on into higher highs to continue on with this momentum to again possibly hit overbought territory here. This is what we're looking for, to see if we can jump back in overbought territory and looking to see if we do break higher highs here on the RSI. Again, that is one very key indicator. Now looking at our number one indicator that we have been talking about, again, the dollar, looking to see if we do get a bounce. And as you guys can see, getting that bounce here, exactly here, guys, almost at 106, exactly what we did mentioning again that rejection here at 106. This is exactly what happened. As you guys can see now, getting a bounce, and that is why we had that pullback on the SPY. So looking to see if we continue on with this bounce, if we do bounce back and possibly look for that bearish momentum set up while our 20-day is curling down here for that possible continuation on that decrease in pressure to the downside in the market to give us again that strength to the upside again in the market. Looking for that bearish candle setup from here on the dollar is going to be extremely key for us to continue on the SPY. So again, just keeping an eye on the DXY, again mentioning our two bounce levels over the weekend. We had 106 and then the next level we had here is at 104. So if we do continue on lower here on the dollar, if we do continue on higher on the SPY, then looking to see if we get a rejection at our 104 level. And in my opinion, that would be the upper end of our channel here that we would be testing if we did continue on higher, again, with weakness on the dollar. So again, just keeping an eye on the dollar. If we are going to continue on higher, if we do have a pullback and we drop below our 395 level, which is again where we did close on this gap up, again, momentum candle to the upside. If we do drop down below 395, I would be looking for a possible bearish candle setup on the 5-minute chart for a quick intraday play possibly. But again, that would be higher risk still in my opinion, since we overall do have pressure and anticipation leading into Powell in December for a possible Fed pivot after our decrease in CPI that we got last Thursday. So again, just keeping that in mind, a very nice breakout that we have here. Bulls are still in control overall and just looking for that possible bullish setup from here. Even if we have a pullback, like I said, just looking for that bullish candle setup on our 20-day, as we would be looking for that bearish candle setup again against our 20 on the dollar to see that possible continuation here on the SPY. That is exactly what we're looking for. Again, just letting the plays come to us. Again, a very nice breakout today. If you guys did catch TBLT from pre-market in the Instables room, again, breaking over 287 pre-market highs and then breaking over our $3 psychological level, breaking up all the way up to $3.85. Again, an amazing breakout that we had in the Instables room. If you guys are day traders, you guys want to see major breakouts again, like we had here with TBLT, as you guys can see, again, breaking over 35% on the day, continuously breaking into new highs after we broke over $3. As you guys can see, again, mentioned this since 287 here, looking to see if we can break, and then looking to see if we can break over our $3 level here. And that's exactly what happened. And we did continue on higher, held $3. And as you guys can see, continuously stairwalling up and having nice breakouts throughout the day. Very choppy, however, continuing on higher as we had our 20, holding over our 50. Again, looking for those possible continuation, guys. If you guys are in the Instables room, if we do have our 20 still over our 50, we still look for those possible continuations. But again, letting consolidation come through and then looking for that movement is exactly what we're looking for. So again, looking for these candle setups is exactly what we mentioned in the Instables room every single day. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, all of you Instables that come over every single day and support the channel, I appreciate you guys. We're going to continue to go at it, stay patient, take what the market gives us like we had here with TBLT, and multiple breakouts that we had today. Mondays seem to be the most volatile, the best breakouts for the last few weeks I've noticed. So again, we'll see what the market gives us leading into Thursday's jobs report. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.